Welcome to this lesson. This is elapsed timing part 2. Excuse me. So we're now looking at the difference between the start time and the finish time between these two clocks here. So that's what the elapsed timing actually means. So how much time has taken place, or how much time has elapsed between the start time and also the finish time as well. So this is here on the left-hand side. We always have what we call the start time. And on the right-hand side, we have the finish time. So starting from the first clock, we can see here that the time is not exactly 4 o'clock. There are still 10 minutes left until 4 o'clock. So the time here will be 3:50 because it's 10 minutes left till 4 o'clock. In the second clock, it's just gone past 4, and it's actually gone past 10 past 4, so 10 minutes past 4. So the time will be written as 4:10. So now what we're going to do is we're going to subtract the two times and find the difference between the start time and the finish time. So we're going to work up in 5 minutes because that's the easiest way to do it. So 4:10 add 5 minutes gives us 4:15. Sorry, 3:50 add 5 minutes gives us 3:55. Let's just write that one again. Add another 5 minutes, and that gives us 4 o'clock. Add another 5 minutes, and that gives us 4:05. And remember, we have to get to 4:10. And finally, add another 5 minutes, and that will give us 4:10. So in total, the difference between the two times is 5, add 5, add 5, add 5 minutes, and that gives us a total of 20 minutes in terms of the elapsed time from the start time to the finish time. You can use other methods as well if you like, if it's easier for you to work out elapsed timing, whatever's easier. But I tend to do it more in steps. It just makes it so much easier. Okay, so good luck with this, and see you in our next class, whereby we'll be reviewing all these questions together. Thank you.